Hey guys, welcome back. It is Carlos Reyes, and today I have a very special treat for you. You are going to witness one of my personal coaching calls where we're discussing why you should never, ever throw away any leads that you generate for your real estate investing business. It could literally cost you millions of dollars. So enjoy.
He's already locked up. We got it signed. He locked up a 20K today, and I'm getting ready to send out another. I literally have goosebumps because it's been a long time coming. He's getting ready to lock up. I'm sending a contract out. She's wanting me to call her right now, but I said, let me do my Zoom and then I'll call you. He's getting ready to lock up another 20,000, and it's only his second day.
Yeah.
Like on the phones, it's phenomenal.
Did you, has this guy actually went through like the onboarding training?
Dude, his onboarding training is, I did that wall. Like, it was just a water hose. Here's wholesaling 101. Listen to me, shadow me, and go jump on the phones with a script. And listen, it couldn't have worked any better. Could he have went on more prepared, Carlos? Yes, but he's got the gift of gab to be able to talk to these people.
Mm-hmm.
I guess this is crazy. I look at a lot of numbers, a lot of different businesses, including my own. I had a 2-hour meeting yesterday with our CFO.
Yeah.
So our leadership meeting yesterday went from 10:30 to about 12:30. And our leadership little meeting consisted of me and Sal, Jaden, who handles our assets and dispositioning.
Yeah.
Adrian, who handles the acquisitions and the sales floor, and our CFO, who had every single number you can think of, right? Yeah. And we actually had the worst. Check it out. We had the worst month that we've ever had in our company this last month, right? Yeah. And I was like, man, but what I love about this business is that the numbers will tell you what needs to get fixed.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll share some with you. You're going to appreciate this, because this is when you start to really, when you guys start to really understand the numbers, the game just changes. And I'll give you an example. You guys, out of every company that I have spoken to in the past 90 days, have the best lead to deal ratio.
You're going to your pants when I tell you something I haven't told you about the leads.
Okay. According to the numbers that you've already given me, you're at a 22-1.
Okay.
Okay. Industry standard is about a 52-1 collective lead to deal ratio. The really high performing companies are at a 35-1. Okay. You're at a 22-1, and that's cold calling.
Now, those didn't all originate this month, Carlos. It could have been a lead from last month.
Well, the way that it's calculated is you take your leads divided by deals, and you got your lead to deal conversion. So
listen to this, brother. 95, 15, 3, and 1. So we got 306 leads in. I was only working 114 of them. 191 we didn't even look at.
Why?
Because we had a junior acquisitions that I tried hiring, not thinking about how our CRM was set up. I only could let him call fresh leads.
He wasn't following up or anything, right?
What he was doing, he was calling all my fresh leads and terminating them right away, where I hadn't even spoke to them. Does that make sense to you? He was terminating.
So the new one-touch leads that were coming in,
he was calling those.
He was calling them and then marking them as dead.
Yeah, he would give them a 60-second pitch. Hey, I can buy your home for X. And if they said no, he would say not interested in terminating. When, yeah, this month was up. It's up as it started off. We ended it really strong.
The only reason why you should ever not keep leads is if somebody literally tells you to go yourself.
Right.
Yeah.
Because when people aren't interested, which 97% of them aren't, right?
Circumstances.
This is like a statistic that I actually learned from Sean Terry when I was beginning. We only appeal to 5% of sellers, 5%. 95% of them are not interested right now. Right now, right? That's the key word. They're not interested right now.
Right.
Right. And 95% of them want retail. So this is what a lot of people in this industry don't understand. They expect that there's some like magic lead sauce out there. And the fact of the matter is that these leads, 95% of them are not going to be interested, or they want too much for their house.
Right.
But it's the good companies with the good skill sets of sales that actually convert those not interested leads into deals by asking the right questions and like, finding a friend, right? Like, think about it this way. The fact that they actually got into your queue is because they said, yeah, I'm open to hearing a cash offer.
Yeah.
Right? Whether it's a window shopper or not, they're subconsciously, they made that decision of saying, I'm interested in hearing a cash offer.
Yep.
That right there alone is what you call a qualified lead. Anybody who has a pulse and says, okay, I'll listen to a cash offer. And what I mean, you guys have to get used to this, right? Some people may not be interested right now. Do you know how many times we have followed up with like a person 50 times and it turns into a 6-figure deal?
Dude, the lead he just closed today was the 100th lead that was put into our CRM 5 months ago.
There you go. What does that tell you?
She's hung up on me. I looked at the notes. I couldn't get across to this lady to save my life. She kept hanging up on me. A different voice, a different approach. It was a deal in a day.
And maybe something changed, like 5 months ago to now, like something changed.
Yeah, the tenant's moving out in 5 days.
Something changed. And that's why you do not delete leads unless you really have to delete the lead.
Right.
That's something that I actually learned from Sal, because I used to be quick to, like, way back in the day, 2014, 2015, I'm like, oh man, these people they're not interested. Let me just get rid of them. They're like, no, hold on, bro. We pay, our average cost per lead is about $52. Like, we don't want to just throw away $52. So then, okay, let's start keeping them. And then, man, like, was he right? Like, we started 52 times, 58 times, 47 times. We started converting these not interested leads into deals, man. And that's why do not be quick to delete any leads unless you absolutely have to.